Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are living in the European Union, there's been a rise in complaints with Microsoft Windows in the past couple of weeks. So, April 2024, we're here. It's the famous Digital Management Act that has rolled out, which means there are things that need to change, and Microsoft has pushed updates to actually address all the things that they need to, which is, of course, like things like removing Microsoft Edge, being able to uninstall it, uninstall Copilot, and so on. And of course, there are some people, and there was one guy in Germany that said, hey, why can't I uninstall Microsoft Edge? So, of course, it goes also into a wider thing. I'm going to add to the kind of comments to it. So definitely, there are some people in the European Union that still cannot uninstall the apps that are supposed to be uninstallable. So when they go to installed apps and then they go down the list and they look at, say, Microsoft Edge, what happens is that in the three dots, uninstall is gray. And that's both in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now, both versions will have uninstallable apps, Microsoft apps like Edge and Copilot and so on. So what's happening with this is that Microsoft has responded to the complaints and says that it's not totally rolled out yet. The full changes have rolled out with Patch Tuesday, but there's still things missing. Like, for example, here where we don't have these rules, a lot of people are still saying, well, I still don't have Copilot. I still don't have this or that feature that's supposed to be in Moment 5. Kind of saying that, yeah, it's still rolling out. It's still not fully there yet. So what is happening with this is that it's just a question of, patience. In a few weeks, that's going to be happening, and it's going to be available to everyone. Now, we can add to a bigger picture that, it's sad to see that Microsoft is doing this in a specific area because of regulations and doesn't give or offer that option to the rest of the world. I mean, there are people out there that do want to remove Microsoft Edge. There are people that want to remove Copilot, and without going or having to do all sorts of, registry tricks and so on, or use third-party software like CCleaner to remove the apps. And I think Microsoft should understand that, hey, if someone doesn't want it, give them the possibility to remove it. That's all. Put it there. I got no problem with, once you install Windows, all of that is there. But do give the uninstall capability. I mean, it's kind of ridiculous to have an uninstall button that's grayed out. One of the things that I was thinking the other day while checking out something in the apps is, it's kind of dumb to have uninstall grayed out rather than just no uninstall choice. It's almost like, let's drive people crazy as much as we can. Let's put the uninstall there, but let's just gray it out. And when I think about that, I'm like, yeah, okay. This is kind of stupid in a way. But yeah, it's sad to see that no one at Microsoft seems to want this to happen. I get it that you'd like to have as many people use your software, but I also think that a choice is what would give a better image to Microsoft. Give people the choice. You know what? Maybe people will learn to love Windows again. Those that have kind of lost faith in it, there's little details like that you're like, they don't use it anyway. So even if you want to keep it there, absolutely, they still don't use it. It doesn't make anything better. Microsoft should give us a choice. So for those in the European Union that still don't have the uninstall traces, it's coming. It's probably going to take still a week or two for this to show up. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.